everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my favorite snack subscription, Variety Fun. This is actually the November box, so super exciting. So like I pretty much mentioned, Variety Fun is a snack subscription. They offer several different options. I received the Fun box, and this one you get 40 snacks. They're like their classic snacks, which you'll see soon, and it's only $24.99. So I think that comes out to be about like 62 cents per snack. I do have a code with Variety Fun. I will link that down below, and that will save you 30% off your first box, which is a great deal. So if you want more like healthy premium snacks, they offer a version called the Fit Box. That one's a little bit more expensive. It's $39.99, and you get 30 snacks. So you can use my code on either of those to save some money. You just want to make sure to order by November 7th to receive this box or the November box. So yeah, I'm gonna link them down below along with the code. And also I have a giveaway ending today, so I think I actually have 2 giveaways ending. So if you have not yet entered, I'm gonna link them down below. One's like a makeup giveaway and the other is my 7K giveaway. So definitely enter those if you have not. But yeah, let's get started and open Variety Fun. One thing I forgot to mention, which is awesome, they have several options for subscriptions. So you can get it monthly, which is how I receive it, or you can get it bi-weekly. And this is such a great box for snacks, like especially if you have kids or you bring your lunch to school. Like getting it bi-weekly if you have like a big family would be super convenient. So I love how they have that option. And I also like just learned that they give back to charities, and you guys know how I feel about subscription boxes that give back. It makes me feel so much better about subscribing and getting those boxes. I think that is amazing that they give back to charity. So yeah, I thought I would share that. You guys, this is seriously loaded with snacks. Hopefully it'll fit on my table. Soon I'm gonna switch out the table in here. It'll be bigger because seriously, every time I open this, it's like overflowing with snacks. So I'm super excited. So here's a little note here. It says November box. It says, hi, snack on. I will, I'm so excited. So yeah, jam-packed with snacks. So I'm just gonna show you what comes in here. There are 40 snacks, so yeah. Gosh, my stomach is getting like, there's like rumbling just looking at these. So let's get started. And I love how each month you get different snacks too. It's such a variety, like the name kind of suggests Variety Fun. But anyways, the first one, this is by Wise, and this is popcorn butter. So this is air pop popcorn. Awesome. I love popcorn, especially like at night when I'm watching like YouTube on my TV or Netflix. And then we have some veggie straws. Ooh, I love veggie straws. I don't think I've ever tried them in the zesty ranch flavor. Yum. Those are so good. And I guess you get like way less fat and they're like healthier too, so that's nice. Ooh, these are good. I've gotten these before. These are Andy Capp's hot fries. I actually discovered these through this box. They're really good. They're like not too hot. They're like the perfect amount of hotness. So good. And then, I've never had these before. These are Dipsy Doodles. They're original wavy corn chip. That is what they look like. So you guys, they're all like perfect size for lunches. You don't have to have kids or like bring your lunch to work to get this box, because I don't do either of those things and I still totally enjoy it. So these are cheese doodles, extra crunchy cheddar cheese flavor. These are made with real cheese. These look so good. Ooh, and my favorite kind of Cheez-It, we have some white cheddar Cheez-Its. And we have a few different, oh, there's like 4 or 5 different flavors of these, but these are the Bada Bean Bada Boom. I've tried these before and these are really good. So they're like crunchy beans. They're only 100 calories and you get a bunch of protein in it, which is great for a snack especially. 7 grams of protein. And these are the garlic and onion. So these are made from, oh, at first I was like, what are broad beans? Broad beans, aka fava beans. So they say our snacks are made from broad beans, aka fava beans, roasted and seasoned to perfection. So it's a protein-packed snack. Awesome. I always am looking to get more protein. I'm a vegetarian, so that is great. So we have it in the garlic and onion, and then we also have it in the mesquite barbecue. I love barbecue, yum. The spicy wasabi. Sweet cinnamon. Ooh, so this could be like a dessert type snack. And then sea salt. Sounds so good. So that's awesome. They sent them in a variety of flavors so you can like try it out and see what one you like the best. Oh my god, the next thing I haven't had in years and years, Bugles. Like, oh my god, I remember when I was a kid I put them on my finger. Would you guys do that? Oh, it even says in there, America's finger hat. That's so cute. That is so true. Oh my god, I know I'm gonna have to try that when I open these up. We have some original Cheez-Its. And then it looks like we have 2 of the Snyder's of Hanover 100-calorie mini pretzel packs. Great snack. We have some goldfish in the original like cheddar flavor. Or I think that's the original flavor. Oh man, I've never seen these. Cheez-It Scrabble Junior. So you can like, they have little letters on them so you can like make it a game. How fun. Oh my god, you guys, I love Words with Friends. I haven't played in a while because I have no one to play. If any of you guys play Words with Friends, let me know. Let's play each other because that just made me think of, like Scrabble made me think of Words with Friends. It's like the phone app where you play Scrabble against your friends. Yeah, let's play. Oh my god, we have a bunch of cookies and stuff from this one company. So let's start with the cookies. So we have Abby's Cookies. I've gotten these before. I love them. And I love that it's like a snack pack of cookies so you don't like overdo it. Because if I have a whole carton of cookies, I'm going to eat that whole carton. So this is the Abby's Cookies shortbread cookies. So good. And then we have the Abby's chocolate chip cookies. Again, delicious. Of course, I love cookies. And then we have a few of the Remy's graham crackers in several flavors. So we have the cinnamon flavor, the graham cracker in the original honey flavor, and then chocolate. I don't think I've tried the chocolate before. I love getting things that could be like little desserts. Like I said, portion control, this helps. Oh, we have another Cheez-It Scrabble. Again, hit me up on Words with Friends. And then we have several different Pringles. Oh my god, I got my favorite ever. I haven't tried these in a while. I did get the original in the past. These are the Pringles sour cream and onion. I love sour cream and onion. Oh my god, that sounds so good. Again, like I would eat a whole thing of it, so it's nice that we have like the smaller sizes, like actual like portion size. And then we have 2 of the original Pringles. Awesome. And then, oh, this is cute, by Keebler, the Scooby-Doo baked graham cracker sticks and cinnamon. So I think they kind of look like dog treats. Super cute. Isn't this like so much? I feel like you get such good value. Like we still have several things. Like if you go to the store and buy this stuff, it's gonna be way more than $24.99. Or if you use my code, it's less than $20, right? For sure. Then we have 2 little peanut packs by Planters, the salted peanuts. Yum, love this. Another good like protein snack to have. And then I see here we have 2 granola bars. So these are the chewy chocolate chip granola bars. I love these. I've said these before, like said this before. These remind me of childhood. Like definitely had those in my lunch bags when I was a kid. Oh, I love how at the bottom it's like the dessert type stuff, like cookies, like on top is all the chips, and now we have more desserts coming out. So the Keebler Chips Deluxe Mini in rainbow, so it's like rainbow or different color M&Ms on it. Yum. Oh, I haven't had these in so long. I don't think I've gotten these in this box before. This is the Keebler Fudge Stripes Mini Original. There's seriously such a variety of snacks in here. Like even if you have picky little ones or something, like there's something here for everyone. I love fruit snacks. I'm such a child. But there's 2 of the Welch's mixed fruit snacks. These are so good. Another classic snack. And then the rest I've seen here are cookies, and the majority of them are grandma's. But let's start with the one that's not grandma's. We've got some Oreos. Love Oreos. Do you know that Oreos are vegan? I used to be vegan back in the day. I'm not now, but I like found that out, and then I became like a chubby vegan because Oreos are so good. Love them. Would eat them all the time. So I'm glad it's just like a pack of 6. So good. And now we have the grandma's cookies. So we have 3 different kinds like of the 2-pack of the soft cookies. These are my favorite. So here's the grandma's chocolate chip cookies. Like seriously, some of my favorite cookies ever. I love them. And then we also have these. Oh my god, yes. Actually, I think my favorite might be, I don't know. It's hard to choose my favorite. They're all so good. You guys know I'm so bad at choosing favorites, but yeah, grandma's cookies, amazing. So then we have the grandma's and peanut butter, and then chocolate brownie. I was like, maybe this is my favorite, but I like peanut butter. You know, it depends on my mood, but yeah, I'll take any of them. So good, but I have all 3. And then the very last thing in here is also by Grandma's, but this is a pack of their like vanilla cookies. So it's like the sandwich cream cookies. So there's 2 cookies with a little bit of cream in the middle, and these are really good. These are just like more like of the crunchy cookie wafer type things. So yeah, you guys, that was everything. And it is so many snacks, so many good things. I'm like, every time I open this, I'm like, okay, what am I gonna open immediately after filming? Like, what am I the most excited about? Well, you know, I obviously like love the cookies, but I love how there's just such a variety every month. Like, so many good things. So I'll probably have to have something like salty and then something sweet. So I'll probably have a grandma's cookie later, but I don't know. I'm really excited about like the Scrabble Cheez-Its. I think those are super cute. I'm like, actually, like I'm a kid, I'm probably gonna try and make out some words in that. But yeah, that is everything. I am full of snacks all around me. I wish you guys could see, like I guess you guys saw them one by one, but yeah. a lot of snacks for only $24.99, or you can get 30% off your first month. And again, if you want more like premium snacks, there's a fit box. I have opened that once before, so I'll link that video down below if you want to see what comes in there. If you get things more like Kind bars and stuff like that. So if you prefer stuff like that, definitely check out that video to see what one you like. Again, my code works for either one, and it's not an affiliate code or anything like that. It's just to help you guys out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing all these yummy treats with me. Definitely let me know what's your favorite out of this. I'd love to hear what your favorite snacks are. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!